What's going on, everybody? I'm Brock. This channel is about helping people understand credit, fix their finances, and learn how to use what they already have to build something bigger, or how to take some knowledge and make something bigger, more than likely utilizing your credit. I'm super big on using debt, whether it's a refinance from a property. Can't get taxed on debt, by the way. Or whether it's getting access to 0% cards or even lines of credit, just getting access to debt and deploying that capital to things that can boost your business, boost yourself, and everything in between. Because I feel like not enough people touch on the power of that, right? So many people are stuck. Oh, I'm going to save up 100 grand, then invest. And then by that time, 3, 4, 5 years, maybe even more have passed, and you haven't really done anything in that whole time but learn and not take any action, right? That's what I'm super heavy on. That's kind of what this channel is going to be for. It's going to be for entrepreneurs. It's going to be for anybody that really wants to change their life, and just for me as well to document everything. And it's going to be for anybody who wants to listen, because I love helping people. I love being the guy that can teach you something you don't know, and I love talking to other people and learning something I don't know. The thing about it is most people do not listen. So if you're here to listen, I love it. Tell you a quick backstory about me. I'm from the Midwest. I come from a background where credit wasn't taught. It was actually looked at negatively. My parents still kind of look at it negatively. So no one really taught me about credit. I was always told not to use credit, use cash for everything, go get a blue collar job, do this, do that. And it's just not me. It's literally not me. I'm a business owner. I'm an entrepreneur. I love credit. I love using it. I know the power with it. And that's kind of where I'm at. I had to figure all of this out for myself. That came from a lot of learning, a lot of being in the right rooms, a lot of money spent on mentorships, courses, friendships, whatever you want to call them. And now I'm helping people repair their credit. I'm helping people get funding for themselves. I've helped my family fix their credit. I've fixed small things on my own. So basically, the channel itself is to help you guys repair your credit, get business funding, get access to any funding, how to make yourself look like a good borrower to the banks so that you can go get that capital. Because for me, the big thing is I love using real estate. I love using real estate by utilizing credit. One of the big things that we're always told, oh, you have to have a lot of money to get into real estate. You do not. You just have to know how to navigate certain type of deals. You have to know how to be creative and how to use money that is not yours, whether it's private money, institutional money, whatever you want to call it, and whatever way you want to navigate it. I have a really good partner who's done all of his properties and deals with private money. Me personally, I've done all of my deals with actual credit. So what I want to do is share my journey, share what I learned with, the people in my circle, to bring value to you guys and show you how to combine all of those different aspects. How do we combine leveraging credit for all these other things? How do we be creative with real estate, not using banks, but also using the bank's money? You can pick one side, yeah, but you're not going to get very far. So if you have all these tools in your tool belt, right? And you can use private money, you can use institutional money, you can use hard money, all these different things. Now you're cooking and you're going to be a problem. And that's really kind of what this channel is for, is how we can achieve those things. And I want to bring you guys on the journey with me, because I consider myself a lower entry level coach at this point. I've only been doing this about a year and a half, but I know the results I have, the effect I've had on people, and the people that I'm helping do what I do and them getting results as well. More so, I can document all of this for you guys so you can see where I fall short, so you can see where I mess up. And I think there's a lot of value in me starting this now at the intermediate level of my journey. I didn't start when I first started. I'm going to make a whole video on things I've learned. I feel like this is going to be a good starting point to actually start documenting everything. So you, the people I help, my clients, and my audience will be able to get a lot of value from me and hopefully learn from my mistakes. I've made a lot of mistakes. I've spent a lot of money and a lot of that money probably should not have been spent, but that's how it goes. You can't be scared to take risks. So mindset's going to be really big here as well, guys. My channel is just going to be like, if you're an entrepreneur, if you want more in your life, it's for you. My Instagram, my TikTok, my YouTube videos, my content as a whole, no matter where you see it, it's for entrepreneurs. It's for those people that know they want more. If any of this sounds good to you guys, I need you to go tap that subscribe button now so you make sure that you can see all my future videos. I'm going to bring you guys so much value. You're going to think I'm crazy. So tap that follow button, like this video, comment down below what your industry is if you're an entrepreneur. Also, the link in the description so you can take a look at all my social medias. So help me support you as well. Go follow my Instagram at Investor Brock. Go follow my TikTok at Investor Brock. Go follow my Facebook at Brock Marcus. All that being said, I look forward to making more videos, and let's get this. I look forward to helping you and documenting my journey. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch you guys later.